So I just got to work and we're at the office. Alright. Today in this video, I'll be sharing 6 artifacts to demonstrate the work habits I've built as well as the skills I've learned throughout my co-op experience in an accounting office so far. Starting off, this artifact shows me filing a tax return for one of the companies I worked with during my co-op placement. This task involved organizing financial information and ensuring the statements were completed accurately. Within this task, I demonstrated several essential skills, including using numerical skills to review figures and check that totals were correct, as well as applying digital technology and software skills by working with a tax return software called Profile. In addition, I practiced decision-making skills by determining what information belonged in the balance sheet section of the tax return versus the income statement section. Completing this task helped me better understand financial reporting and how these skills support my future studies and career interests in both business and accounting. Moving on, this artifact shows my experience with data entry, as demonstrated by these 2 pictures. Data entry involves accurately inputting financial information into accounting software, including transaction amounts, dates, and account balances. Within this task, I demonstrated several essential skills. I used numerical skills to ensure all the amounts were entered correctly and balanced properly, and I also practiced digital technology and software skills by proficiently using accounting software to record transactions accurately and efficiently. In addition, I applied decision-making skills by determining which transactions belonged in the appropriate accounts. By checking my entries against source documents, I also learned the importance of accuracy and attention to detail when working with financial information. Lastly, this artifact is a video of my partner and I calculating the HST of receipts for business expenses. While completing this task with a partner, I used calculation and money math skills to apply Ontario's 13% HST rate and to determine accurate totals. This required precision and attention to detail, as even small mistakes could affect the final amounts. I also practiced communication skills by discussing calculations with my partner and checking our answers together. These essential skills were demonstrated within the artifact and are useful for my future studies and career interests in both business and accounting. This artifact here shows my work organizing sales transactions in an Excel spreadsheet for financial records. Completing this task demonstrates the work habits of organization, reliability, and working independently. I stayed organized by entering information in the correct columns and keeping the spreadsheet clear and concise. I showed reliability by ensuring all data was entered accurately and double-checking totals to avoid errors. I also worked independently by following established procedures and completing the spreadsheet accurately without constant supervision. In my next artifact showing the end result of my work assignment to sort Mrs. Lamb's personal receipts with my partner demonstrates the same work habits I've built as the previous artifact, including organization and reliability, while also adding in teamwork. We stayed organized by grouping receipts correctly and ensuring they were easy to reference. Reliability was important as we were entrusted to handle personal documents carefully and avoid losing any receipts. Teamwork was demonstrated through clear communication and dividing tasks so the work could be completed efficiently. These work habits are important for my future academic and career goals in both business or accounting, where collaboration and attention to detail are essential. Last but not least, we have data entry again for the second time. This artifact shows My continued practice of accurately entering financial information into accounting software, including transaction amounts, dates, and account balances. Completing data entry more than once allowed me to improve my organization by keeping records consistent, my reliability by ensuring information was entered correctly each time, and my ability to work independently by following the same procedures without constant supervision.